Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can scan your local disk for viruses or any other threats. Also this method help in finding errors that are on your disk. It's simple, simply start by finding the disk you would like to scan. Then after getting it, simply start by right-clicking the disk you would like to scan. Then go on Properties. And this are results you will be getting, so make sure you on Tools, and simply come and click on this area that says Error Checking, and then come and start scanning your disk from here, on this button that say in check, and then as you can see here came a suggestion to scan your drive, and here says that you can keep using your drive during the scan, and if errors are found, you can decide if you want to fix them or not, as you can see it's safe to acquire, so simply click Scanning Drive. And as you can see it started scanning. And now as you can see it's been scanned and there we no errors found. So thanks watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.